Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Or good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So,
Today,
what we will do?
unboxing dalawang camera.
Okay.
Actually.
Actually.
So which one first?
This one na lang.
Let's open Akaso. Muna. Akaso ba? I don't know how to pronounce this brand.
If you know this brand, comment down below. Wow.
Medyo nice box. Ta-da! Very big box, pero
Very small.
camera
Package.
itself very small.
No, I think this one.
Yeah. That's why very big box. They need many
Oh.
accessories.
Oh, nice.
So first, manual in English, not Chinese.
It's good, no?
Quick start guide. Talagang konti. What's this? Like a cell phone SIM card. For what? We will use. Can you see?
Oh.
Pivot stand. How to see? And then, これは silicone case な without magnet. This one no magnet.
Just protector lang.
This one you cannot see magnet, pero I think magnet.
Show them. No, you can attract each other.
This one. And then you can put.
Oh.
I feel strong. Medyo hard moving. Cannot remove. So
No problem wearing.
difficult no. Where I will take off. Cup cannot.
How can
go.
you say just cup?
What if I wear like this? Maybe no. If opposite, I can put muna. Stronger. Siyempre, if not strong, maybe during shooting, lag, and then camera broken. Sayang, diba? So they have very strong clip. You can put
Kaya po talaga.
very strong clip. Okay. And then dito magnet. And then opposite side, this way. Maybe much better dito.
Maybe if you have bag, much
Bag. Pwede.
Oh, you can demo bag. If wearing hiking bag, you can put.
Vertical bag. If your bag have hiking bag, meron like this, diba?
Okay. And then,
Then dito.
yeah.
Yay! Maybe motorcycle have many metal, diba? Maybe possible somewhere. So no need any attachment. Just you can copy the metal. You need to put silicone case and then strap. Dito. Meron. Butas. Silicone case. If you want to use this one, no butas. Then the last is Type-C USB cable for charging. This is lahat.
So that's the first camera, Akaso camera. Actually, it says ultra lightweight 4K.
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 Up to 4K.
4K vlog.
4K.
60 minutes recording.
Up to 2K. Kanina she complained. Bakit only 2K?
So he will get the 4K, obviously. Right?
Yes, mas mahal.
Mas mahal? You said it doesn't matter.
Konti.
We will. No, I will be unboxing the SJCAM Power Your Dreams. SJCAM. That's the name of the company. But this is a mini action camera C100 Plus. Works with Instagram and TikTok. Specify here. So this is 2K definition and 30mm waterproof. Whoa. Okay. Oh! Okay. Those are the inclusions. And here's the feature. Okay. Magnetic body, 2K video recording. Oh, it's 3 hours long time runtime. Wi-Fi ready, 30 meters water resistant.
Walang IP?
What's the H.265 means? I don't know what that means, but we will see. Ultra portable, and then live streaming. So very satisfying. This is not so. The box is not that sturdy, unlike the other one. There are dents on the box, and then hopefully the inside is not really damaged. But let's see how to open.
30 meters.
Naglag na agad siya.
But even 30 minutes, you cannot go 30 minutes, 30 meters depth, diba, in the water. You can go only 56 meters in the water. Oh, you don't know how to swim, diba? How? You can go 1 meter depths?
5 feet.
Never. 5 feet is how many meters?
Don't ask me to commit math. Okay, when you open, this is how it looks.
Same na kanilang
But
very big box, pero very small camera itself. But now we know already many accessories. Accessories.
okay, when
Tama
you,
ba my pronunciation?
yeah, accessories.
Accessories.
So this one, the camera is inside the, what's this? Water resistant, waterproof. I don't know how to remove it. Ooh. So this is the waterproof casing. Then I'm gonna, here's the accessories. Chinese, Japanese.
Wait, Japanese? Can I see? This one? Hindi Japanese.
Di ba Japanese that one? Unfortunately,
Wala?
Japanese is evicted. You cannot use this one.
Umiiyak,
Wala.
ang puso ko.
Wala talaga. Anyway, it's kind of nice because it's printed. Colored. Interesting. Anyway, let's go back. You have the 2x3 adhesive sticker. So maybe this one you will use if you touch to something. Next one.
Many accessories. Oh, almost similar.
Oh, they have this. Very important. You don't have, right? This one is a
I have my
cleaning cloth for the camera. Next is curved flat mount.
For helmet, I think.
Yeah. For helmets, biking. Oh, this one.
Strap.
Strap. It's longer compared to the Akaso.
Oh shit! I didn't know. Diba?
Really?
Oh,
Really?
How
I
you say longer? Let's compare. I will.
But this one I
Liar.
This one I feel like.
Tagalog, sinungaling ka.
Bakit you're checking muna?
Sino
Let's
yan?
compare. Bakit? Almost same.
Hindi longer, diba? Ako longer. Akaso.
Then you will have the
Charger.
cable charger.
Pero hindi Type-C.
And then we have this screw and
Like GoPro mount.
I think you are all seeing
This
something.
one, like this. If you put already sa your helmet, and then dito you can.
I think the other way around. Ah, I see. Frame mount. It's not silicone. And then this is that body clip. Back clip. It says here back clip. Oh, it's heavy. This one is not magnetic. This is you will have the back clip for you to wear it anywhere, or you're gonna use the lanyard.
Oh.
Check, and we will use this one. Which one is better? Of course, there is advantage and disadvantages for each camera. It depends on the purpose of how you will
Your
use it.
shooting style.
Yeah.
But this one I saw sa web, many color variation.
Oh, so if you like pink,
Yellow.
maybe yellow or
Yellow.
something.
Yellow.
Looks like which one the character have one eye?
Stuart ba? Stuart?
Stewart.
I'm not sure.
So it's like so that's it for this video, guys. We will update you again.
See you again. See you soon.
Like,
Bye bye. Paalam.
Not yet. Please
Sa-
like,
Yeah.
subscribe, and click the notification bell so you
What's
can
good? Good.
like.
Ah. Like.
Yeah.
Push like button.
Yeah.
Then subscribe. Then
Ring the notification bell so you will always be updated whenever we upload our new videos. Okay, see you
Oyasumi.
guys.
Oyasumi. Oyasumi.
Right.